How do I start practicing Nichiren Buddhism? Have you ever wondered how to bring more peace and purpose into your life? In this video, I will share the first steps to practicing Nichiren Buddhism. Step 1. The practice begins with chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Focus on your breathing and gently repeat the phrase aloud. Even just a few minutes can center your mind and lift your spirit. If you wish to free yourself from the sufferings of birth and death you have endured through eternity and attain supreme enlightenment in this lifetime, you must awaken to the mystic truth which has always been within your life. Step 2. Create consistency. Make chanting a daily habit, even for 5 minutes in the morning or evening. Use this time to focus on your goals, happiness, and inner peace. Step 3. Connect with community. Join others who practice Nichiren Buddhism. Learning together and sharing experiences will deepen your understanding and provide encouragement on your journey. Step 4. Learn and study. Read the writings of Nichiren and study the Lotus Sutra. These texts provide insight and guidance for overcoming challenges and living with courage and wisdom. Open up the video description below to find the link to our Amazon store, where I recommend good books, or find the link in the pinned comment. Let me know in the comments, what is one reason you feel inspired to start practicing Nichiren Buddhism? For the next step in your journey, check out our video on the history of Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, unveiling the power to learn more about the origins and significance of this practice.